Okay, here in Houston, Texas, I saw the news about, or the announcements about the new Ionna network. The announcement was a couple of years ago, I think. Ionna, if you're not familiar, is a partnership of 8 major automakers. And I'll put up a graphic of the 8. And anyway, so just about 2.5 miles from my house, I just noticed this morning is supposedly a location that's going to be open by the end of the year. Today is December the 21st, 2024. And beautiful day in Houston. Let's go check it out. And I parked next door at the Starbucks, and so the rumor that I saw online, several people saying that this location is going to be open by the end of this year, and today is December 21st, so that's less than 2 weeks away. So let's have a look around and see what we can see at the Ionna, Houston, Texas location. And the rumor was that this location would be open. I don't know if they're going to let me in the video. And from here, we'll have to do voiceover. I apologize for the audio. I apparently selected mute accidentally on the DJI mic too. But you can see there on the right, looks like a place for vending. Construction obviously not complete yet, but they're working hard. This is on a Saturday. I did talk to the foreman for the subcontractor there, or the general contractor. He said they were going to do everything that they could to get the site open and to come back in a couple of weeks. Just showing the busy street scene at this location. So it's obviously urban with a lot of multifamily in the area. It's about 2 miles to the west of another Electrify America. Just videoing from the sidewalk. And I did go in, and I think I'll let this run, but as I approached, I purposely dropped the camera to the ground to kind of make it so that the guys didn't feel like I was trying to trap them into something. Anyway, I had a good long conversation with them, but they didn't have permission to allow me to video inside the site. So I just got a little info, and then I backed out and videoed from outside the building site. No, I hear you.
We just walked by. That guy on that. I got someone right here right now.
All right. That good looking fella?
Yeah, that's the one.
Oh, the pizza. Wasn't me.
Hey, yeah, how's it going?
Good.
Maybe take any pizzas, huh?
Yeah.
Listen, I appreciate it.
No problem, man. Have a good one.
Yeah. Well, so what was interesting was that given as narrow a strip as it is, it's adjacent to this unoccupied place that's investor owned and is likely for sale, could be more, possible that it would be possible for them to negotiate a purchase of the site next door and add on to this. So anyway, looks like a great site, and I just went ahead and went on around, and I'll probably just speed this up. because the audio is not interesting. And see you on the other side. So from this view, you could see there on the right what looked like bathrooms, more than likely, and of course a hard-working crew working on Saturday during what is considered a holiday weekend. Uh, so they're hard after it. Um, and then I went ahead and walked on around to the left down the sidewalk, and you could clearly see the four Alpatronic chargers, which Tom Malogny on State of Charge has detailed very clearly, and I'll put a link to his YouTube channel in here, or the video about the Alpatronics and the Ionna. Um, but they may make it. They're getting after it. If they don't make it by the 31st, it'll be within the first couple of weeks of January. And this was just a view looking in. You can see the contractors standing in the doorways to what look like the two restrooms. Uh, so pretty sure that the block structure on the right is the restroom, bathroom facilities, and on the left is the vending. And compact little site, uh, 4 chargers, 8 charge points or plugs, and a busy area, uh, half a mile, quarter mile off of Interstate 10. Lots of multifamily residences. It's going to be a busy site, and Ionna will make money on it, or at least they have good revenue. I don't know about the profit, but looks like they're not going overboard as far as budget, but they are uh, installing a quality site. And here you just have a little view of the Starbucks next door with the drive-through. Nice, really nice little Starbucks location. Um, so, well chosen, and it's probably going to do well. So that's the update. Um, Thanks for watching, and hope this is useful to somebody.